So this is a reinforcement to the latest video, which is just understanding the notes of a chord. Let's choose the key of A. That chord is ones, threes, and fives. And the scale. So here's an arpeggio. 1, 3, 5, 1. And then if we went to the 4 chord, 1, 3, 5, 1. The 5 chord. Now remember that if we're going to add a 7 to the 1, 4, 5, in 1 it'd be 1, 3, 5, 1, major 7. The 4 would be 1, 3, 5, 1, major 7. But the 5, because it's dominant, 1, 3, 5, 1. Notice how it works. Listen to this. That note sounds wrong. Well, it's the major 7th, but the 5 chord, because of the rules of constructing all the chords from the root key, which in this case is A, you got to go. And so a good exercise is go up the arpeggio and down the scale. So up the arpeggio means 1, 3, 5, 1. Now I'm on the 1. I want to go back down the whole scale. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Up the arpeggio. 1, 3, 5, 1. And then 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing on the 4 chord. Now for the 5 chord, I had to go back on the dominant 7, the flat 7, to keep it in sync with the root chord. So we want to keep everything right in one spot to really see the relationship. 1, 4, and then here's the C-shaped. There's an E chord right there. Pinky on the 1, ring on the 3, skip a fret, index on the 5, middle finger on the 1. So there's 1, and here's 5, so that makes this a 6, and this the flat 7 that we saw from here. So we got there's a perfect round robin for a 1, 4, 5 in one spot using the E shape, the A shape, and the C shape up the arpeggio, down the scale. And then so you combine them kind of for a good practice, something that fits together. We get back to 1. It's a really healthy way to see the 1. If you're going to add a 7, you're going to add a major 7. The 4, the 5. The 1, the 4 get a major 7. The 5 gets a flat 7, only to keep it within the confines of everything's built from notes from the root chord. Good practice.